Expedia affiliate program sign up. So, hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, let's teach you how you will be able to sign up with Expedia's affiliate program. So, simply visit affiliate.expediagroup.com and you will be able to see this page over here, which explains the affiliate program of Expedia Group. Let's first talk about how it works. Let's talk about the percentage, how you will earn, how to join, stuff like that before we proceed with showing you how to join, which is the join button over here. So over here, as you can see, your account with Expedia Group gives us access to leading brands. So there are different platforms or different brands that we will be able to partner with, such as Expedia, of course, hotels.com, VRBO, Stays, Arbitral, Free Work Direct, as you can see. So we have a few platforms or a few companies that we will be able to work with, which is really great and really awesome. Over here, you will be able to see the reasons or like how or like the reason why you should join Expedia's affiliate program. As you can see, there's a broad range of offering in their industry. As you can see, there are over 3 million properties. So there's over 3 million potential properties that you could promote and earn from. There's over 220K unique activities, a lot of airlines, and a lot of car rentals. So you won't really run out of things to be promoting. So that's a really great thing. You will be able to easily monetize your traffic with the most trusted travel brands. You can earn up to 4% commission. Now, this might sound small in comparison to other affiliate programs, but imagine the different products or the different things that you're going to be promoting are actually properties, airlines, rentals, cruise lines, and all kinds of uh, very expensive things that people would pay a lot for. So you can't compare a 10% commission for, like, say, an example, an e-commerce. You have an e-commerce platform that has a 10% commission for every sale that you get. But the limit of that is that the different products there only sell for like $100, $50. But imagine how much the range of or the prices for these type of products or these type of things. So 4% is actually very big. So let's say there's a rental for $10,000. 4% of that is going to be in comparison or incomparable to other types of um, affiliate programs. And there's also consistency in their investment in technology. So you will have access to new products to expand your business. So the affiliate program, how does it work? So we're simply going to join and then we will be able to access their tools, traceable links, gadgets, site banners, stuff like that. It will help you or they will help you with their tools to be able for you to be able to share and drive traffic through your website or your social platforms. So it's very important for us to be able to have our own audience, have our own following. So if you're someone who has nothing just yet, like you just want to earn money through affiliate marketing, but you don't have any social media uh, presence, you don't have a website, you don't have a page, you don't have a social like a YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, stuff like that, I would recommend that you try first to build up an audience, which will give you a higher chance for, of course, earning money or be having a successful communication or having a successful traffic with your affiliate link. And this will also help disseminate your support or disseminate the shares or the link that you're trying to provide. And of course, after every successful commission, you will be paid for every qualifying book made, as you can see through your site, links or widgets. You could also track your performance, stuff like that. Then you could see here the different tools. They have Creator Toolbox, as you can see here. You will be able to see your performance, how much or how are you doing, how much traffic you're causing, stuff like that, as you can see. And so let's actually start. Let's click on join now to get started. Let's first sign up into our affiliate link over here. So over here, we're first going to enter necessary information, basic information that you would typically have. Let's enable this and simply let's enter our email address. You could enter any first name that you want, but let me enter here. Now, after that, over here, we're simply going to enter our business info. This is going to help them uh, keep the trackable link in your favorite place. So this information or the information that you're going to provide will help them with the processing of our application. So, like I mentioned earlier, it's very important for us to be able to have our social media following or like a website already. So you're simply going to enter over here the social media URL that you have. So whether it's Instagram or whatever platform that you have. So let me search up some random Instagram over here just for the sake of an example. Let's look for a random page over here. So let's see. Let's say this one. You could copy and paste this. This is just for the sake of example, by the way. So don't criticize me. But anyway, over here, enter the name of your business. So let's just say sample, and then you're going to enter your street address over here. Doesn't matter what street address that you could put. So let's say 84 over here. Taki. Let's put in where is it? United States of America. Then you can simply click on submit, and then you could now proceed to the next steps. So while waiting for this, let's actually talk about how or what we can do to help you easily promote your different links. So you could take advantage of different online tools such as Canva to create really great designs, to create really amazing outputs. There's designs that will allow you to create all kinds of projects over here. You could create some presentations for social media specifically over here. There's for Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn. There's templates inside of Canva that you guys could use, which will really greatly improve the design that you have that you could use to promote. And you could take advantage of this. There's also videos. You could also create videos in Canva. And by doing this, you could create professional postings that you could put into your Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, or whatever online presence or online websites that you have. So you could utilize this. You could use pixels over here as a source of royalty free images. As you can see, you could take advantage of like the beautiful scenery of images, take advantage of the free amazing high quality images to build really compelling and really attractive postings. And then you could of course use Instagram to or like one of the platforms that you could post your different posting suite. So it's not just limited to your website. So let's say you do have an existing following already. What I would recommend is that you expand, you extend to those platforms that you haven't touched yet, like Instagram, something like that. And then over here, as you can see, this is now our page over here. Now you can simply get links, start making links that you will be able to do. So now I will leave this up to you guys to explore and you will typically have it over here, link builder. So simply create your links over here and then start sharing and start earning money. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.